Deleting journal entries in QuickBooks Online can feel slow during cleanup, audit preparation, or when fixing incorrect entries. If you need to remove duplicate journal entries or incorrect adjustments, doing it one by one takes time, and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I will show you how to delete journal entries in bulk from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You can filter the journal entries you want, review them, and delete them in one step, instead of opening each entry manually. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now, inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection, and you land SaasAnt's dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company with SaasAnt, go to Delete. You will see two options, Delete by searching and Delete by reference. Delete by searching helps you filter and select entries using conditions like date and type. Delete by reference helps you delete entries directly using known reference numbers. Let's choose Delete by searching. On the filter screen, select Journal Entries as the transaction type. Next, choose your date type. Use created date, transaction date, or last updated date based on what you want to filter. Set your date range to narrow down the journal entries. Click Search to load the records. SaasAnt will display the matching journal entries in a table. Review the results carefully and select the journal entries you want to delete. You can select multiple entries at once. Before clicking Delete, download a backup of your data. Now click Delete. You will see a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to delete the selected transactions. Click OK to proceed. SaasAnt will delete the selected journal entries from QuickBooks Online. After deletion, SaasAnt provides a deletion summary that you can download for up to 2 days for audit and reference purposes if needed. To verify the results, switch back to your QuickBooks Online account. Open the journal entry or run a report. Confirm that the deleted journal entries are no longer available. Easily bulk delete journal entries in QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. No manual effort needed. Ideal for cleanup, audits, and fixing duplicates. Start with the free trial.